Let's try 7, 2, 3. Here we go. Up, 2, 3. Leap, step in, step, brush, cut down. Knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch point, hop back. Leap, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch point, hop back, step in. Knee, switch point, hop back. Leap, step in. Leap, step in, step, brush, cut down. And knee, step in. 4, 5. Switch point, hop back. 3, 2, 5. Knee, 2, 3, 4. Switch point, back, step in. Knee, switch point, hop back. Cool music, but there we go. How's it going, everybody? Tyler here, and welcome back to another Tyler Teaches, where I teach you some of my favorite tricks and steps. We made it. We're at step number 3 of the beginner slip jig series. I wanted to create 3 cohesive slip jigs together that can be performed together pretty easily, and we are at the 3rd step. We made it, so pats on back for that. Well done, you've made it this far. This 3rd step is the most challenging of the 3, but we're building off of concepts we've learned in the past 2 steps. So if you're just jumping into this, I highly recommend learning the 1st step first, and then the 2nd step that supplements to it. In the 1st step, we learn how to travel with our slip jig, just basic counts of slip jig. The 2nd step, we learn about 7s and 5s and how to count out our footwork. So we're gonna build off of that in this 3rd step. It's challenging, but still I'd say falling into that category of beginner introductory Irish dancing. So if you're enjoying this though, if you made it here, fantastic. Be sure to hit the like button to show your support. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It shows right now that more people that watch my videos are unsubscribed than subscribed. So if you're one of those people that's not subscribing and you're just kind of floating here, I'd highly recommend joining the community. I appreciate that. The music you're listening to in the background right here, and then when we actually dance, this to music is provided by FEIS app. Best place for Irish dancing music, I think. Probably the easiest cohesive collection, lots of music there. I really recommend it. Great people behind it too. So lovely, lovely people, support them. More information below in the caption if you want to learn more about FEIS app. What else? If you'd like to support the channel further, I have a Patreon you can join to help support this channel further, allow me to spend more time making these fun videos. You can also join the channel, the little join button right below. You could buy a t-shirt if you want just to support, like a one-time thing. These shirts are awesome. I think they're pretty cool. I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining me all the way through to this point. Slip jig, I think, should be done by more than just the girls. I love slip jig. Inclusivity for everybody. And this step is a real fun one. It's a challenge, so I hope you're up for it. Let's get into it. So, we've learned our leap 2 3s at this point. We're gonna do 2 of those right away. Leap 2 3s we learned in the 1st step. If you haven't, dive into that 1st step again if you want to learn more about leap 2 3s. But we're going to start with our right foot in front. Again, righty, whitey, lefty, black sock. So we're got the 2 colors, so you know which foot's which. So we're going to do 2 leap 2 3s to start. Leap 2 3, left foot, leap 2 3. 7 2 3 and 8 2 3 and leap 2 3 and leap 2 3. Step. We're going to step forward with our right foot. Give you a better view. 2 3 and leap, step in, leap, step in, step. Okay, we're going to step forward with our right foot, just a little bit more forward. Yeah. 7 7 2 3 and 8 and 8 2 3 and leap 2 3 and leap 2 3, step. And you're gonna brush the floor with your left. You're gonna brush the floor with your left, and you're gonna hop off your right foot. All your weight's on your right foot. You're gonna brush with your left foot into a cut, and hop, and down. Okay. So how we're gonna do that, leap 2 3, leap 2 3, step, brush, cut, down. Okay. 2 3 and leap, 2, 3, leap, 2, 3, step, brush, cut, down. So our cut, when we're cutting, our left foot is cutting, our right foot is hopping, and our left foot then comes down. And we're going to put all our weight onto that left foot by the end of it. So at the end of this combination, all our weight should be on our left foot. Ready? 2, 3, and leap, step in, leap, step in, step, brush, cut, down. So a new trick right there, that brush, cut, down. You can also call it a tip, cut, down. I've heard that phrase before. Irish dancing is a little interesting in that, depending on the region you learned Irish dancing, the names are a little bit different. There's some regional variants. So some would call that a brush, others would call it a tip. So either or, but we're making just a little connection with the floor, and then we're going to go up to a cut. And again, the difference between a cut and a knee. So our knee is here, knee in line with our belly button. Our cut, our knee stays down, almost as like a pivot joint. So the knee stays in place, and our heel and toe goes up to our hip area. So we want it to be a cut. So it's not going to be a tip knee, it'll be a tip cut. So we're going to keep your knee low. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, and leap, 2, 3, and leap, 2, 3, step, brush, cut, down. Now from here, we're gonna push off of our left foot, all our weight here, and we're gonna swing up to a knee with the right foot. Okay, so 2, 3, and leap, step in, step, brush, cut, down, and knee. So we're constantly switching our feet. This is a much more challenging step than the previous steps. But we're building off of what we've learned. So I'm challenging you guys. We got this. Here we go. Take it nice and slow. 2, 3, and leap, step in, and leap, step in, step, brush, cut, down, up, knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch point, hop back. So we've done this before. We're recycling a combination we did in the second step. Okay, we're going up to a knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our right foot is leading it out, and we're finishing it off with our left foot behind each time. 6, 7, and we're going to put all our weight on our left foot to then switch point, hop back. And that was learned in the first step. A lot of recycling here and there. All right. That's our halfway point of the step, actually. So pats on back for getting to this point. Awesome stuff, guys. Here we go. 7 and 7, 2, 3, and 8 and 8, 2, 3, and leap, step in, and leap, step in, step, brush, cut, down, up, knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch point, hop back. 5 and 5, 2, 3, 6 and 6, 2, 3. So we've done 1 to 4 already. Awesome stuff. Again, if any of this is like going like whew, right over your head, you can always rewind and retake anything and play it back at half speed, 3/4 speed, whatever you need. Go at your pace. It's one of the greatest things about YouTube is you can slow things down, speed them up, do whatever you need to do. You can even speed me up if you're like, all right, I got this, I got it. Because I've been told sometimes I speak slowly. So you can, yeah. Comment down below, what speed have you been learning these steps? I'm very curious now. We've kind of done a few of these steps now. What playback speed do you do? Do you even know? Like, I didn't even know for a long time that there was a playback speed or anything. So, anywho, yeah. Let's try it from the top again. 2, 3, and up, leap, step in, and leap, step in, step, brush, cut down, up, knee, step in, step in, step in, switch point, hop back. Again, 3 step ins, but it counts as a 7 basically. So the hop to the knee is 1. That's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch point, hop back. Okay, good, good, good. So you should have all your weight on your left foot, right foot in front. We're gonna pick that right foot up right away, and we're gonna go leap, step in, so only to 5. So we're gonna go leap, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, right foot in front, all our weight's on our left foot, 2, 3, and leap, 2, 3, 4, 5, knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch point, hop back, step in. Let's actually split it up. So that first part right there are the first 2 bars. So 2, 3, and leap, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the first chunk. One more time. 2, 3, and leap, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, this next part, this is the finishing cherry on top to this whole dance. We're gonna go switch point, hop back, step in, swing up with your left leg, knee, and from the knee, we're gonna switch feet. Switch point, hop back. Again, that whole chunk together. We're gonna go switch point, hop back, step in, knee, switch point, hop back. Again, 2, 3, and switch point, hop back, step in, and knee, hop. I'm doing it wrong. Try it again. 2, 3, and switch point, hop back, step in, swing knee, switch point, hop back. Good, good, good. One more time. 2, 3, and switch point, hop back, step in, and knee, switch point, hop back. Good. And that's the whole step right there. Let's combine that second half, the movement part and then the finishing part. Let's do that. So we have our right foot in front. We're going to do a leap over to start. 2, 3, and leap, 2, 3, 4, 5, and knee, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch point, hop back, step in, up knee, switch point, hop back. That's the end right there. Our left foot should be in front. Our weight should be on the right foot, which is in back, because if we were to connect the left foot version of this dance, we would bring up that left leg to go into leap, step in, and leap, step in, step, brush, cut down, up, knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch point, hop back, leap, 2, 3, 4, 5, knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch point, hop back, 2, 3, and knee, switch point, hop back, and there's your dance. That would be the left foot, so the left foot kind of does the opposite. It goes this way and back. You finish somewhere around the center. Yeah, so again, if any of that went right over your head, you can always hit the reverse button, hop back to an earlier part of the tutorial. You can also play it back at a slower pace, or if you need to just breeze through it all again really quickly, you could go back and hit the 2 times playback speed and go really fast through it all. But let's try that to music. Let's give it a shot, and hopefully my speaker will want to work with us. Let's give it a shot. Again, FEIS app is what we're using. We're gonna go to slip jigs. We're gonna pick slow. And I know that that's technically advanced, but advanced is a slower tempo. For the more advanced dancers, that gives them more space between the counts and allows them to do more with each bar, if that makes sense. But for our use of a slower tempo, we're using that because it's just an easier tempo to dance this at. I wouldn't want you dancing this super fast right now. So we're gonna use advanced slow tempo. It's still pretty fast though, so we'll give that a shot. Again, you can always hit the playback speed slower if you need to be even slower. We got you. So many selections. I'm gonna try and pick a simple tune.
I'm trying to connect.
5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Leap, step in, and cut down. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, that kind of flows like that. Up, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. Let's try 7, 2, 3. Here we go. Up, 2, 3, leap, step in, step, brush, cut down, knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, switch point, hop back, leap, 2, 3, 4, 5, knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch point, hop back, step in, knee, switch point, hop back, leap, step in, step, brush, cut down, and knee, step in, 4, 5, switch point, hop back, leap, 2, 5, knee, 2, 3, 4, switch point, back, step in, knee, switch point, hop back. Cool music. But there we go. So, I'd say a good bit more complex than the previous two steps, but we were building our understanding of slip jig timing and music and all of that to get to a step like this. So hopefully it made sense. Let me know how you did in the comments below. Thank you again for joining us through all of this. I'll release a video with all three together to practice to if you'd like. Yeah, if you made it to this point, pats on the back. Hit the like button to tell me that you made it. I sure appreciate that. It helps the algorithm to get these slip jigs out to more people who might be interested in trying out some Irish dancing for the first time. And if you've enjoyed trying all this, wherever you're dancing from, living room, wherever, and you want to do more Irish dancing, I'd highly recommend finding a studio near you. Hit the Google, find your closest Irish dance studio and continue learning it. It's a fun thing. I've been doing it for over 20 years now. I love it. I keep learning more and more about it, and I hope you do as well. Keep enjoying it. Happy dancing, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Huge shout out and thank you to everyone who's taken their support of this channel to the next level, either by becoming a patron over on Patreon or becoming a member of the channel. For more information about how you can support the channel more, check the description below the video. Thanks and have a good one.